Hello guys, my name is Husna from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today's topic is application of Newton's law of cooling. Before starting topic, please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. First we learn about what is Newton's law of cooling. In mathematics, Newton's law of cooling is represented by a first order differential equation. This equation describes the rate of change of an object's temperature over time based on the difference between its temperature and the temperature of its surrounding. The mathematical representation, the rate of change. We use the derivative dt by dt to represent the rate of change of object's temperature T with respect to time T. Proportionality. Newton's law states that the rate of change is proportional to the difference between the object temperature T and the surrounding temperature. This proportionality is represented by a constant of proportionality K, which is typically positive. Negative sign. Since the object is cooling down, the direction of change is negative. Therefore, we put a negative sign before the proportionality term. Applications of Newton's law of cooling. A few important applications of Newton's law of cooling are listed below. Using Newton's law of cooling, we find the temperature of a soda that is placed in refrigerator with a certain amount of time. Use it to predict how long it will take for a hot object to cool down at a certain temperature. It also helps to indicate the death time given by the probable body temperature at the death time and the current body temperature. This law is used to know an approximation of how long it takes for a hot cup of coffee to cool down to a certain temperature so that a person can drink it without burning their tongue. This law is used to calculate the temperature of a can or bottle of soda kept in a refrigerator for a certain amount of time. Today in crime scenes, Newton's law of cooling tells us the correct time of death given the temperature of the body post death and the time of death and the current body temperature. To predict how long it takes for a hot object to cool down at a certain temperature. To find the temperature of soda, place it in refrigerator by a certain amount of time. It helps to indicate the time of death given by the probable body temperature at the time of death and current body temperature. Application of first order differential equation in Newton's law of cooling. How Newton's law of cooling is differential equation. They predict the cooling of a warm body placed in the cold environment. According to the law, the rate at which the temperature of body decreases is proportional to the difference of temperature between the body and its environment. dt into dt equals to k bracket t minus te, where I is the temperature of the object while t is the constant temperature of the environment and k the constant of proportionality. If a bottle of water with an initial temperature of 25 degrees Celsius is placed in a refrigerator with an internal temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, given that after the bottle being placed in refrigerator for 10 minutes, the temperature of the water becomes 20 degrees Celsius. By applying the Newton's law of cooling, they predict the temperature of water will become after 1 hour. Cooking. Understanding the cooling of food during the cooling process after cooking helps in determining soda storage temperature and preventing bacterial growth. Meteorology. Newton's law of cooling can be applied to study temperature change in the atmosphere, helping meteorologists predict weather patterns. Physical experiments. In physical laboratories, this law is used to study heat transfer and temperature change in different material. Medical fit. It can be applied to model the cooling of the patient's body after death, which is essential in forensic science. Engineering. Newton's law of cooling is used in thermal engineering to design and analyze systems involving heat transfer, such as cooling system in electronics or engine. Environmental science. Studying the cooling of lakes or body of water can provide insights into the thermal dynamics of ecosystem. Material science. Analyzing the cooling of molten metals or liquid helps in understanding the solidification process and optimizing casting procedures. Climate change research. Modeling the cooling of Earth's surface at night contributes to climate studies, especially in understanding temperature variation. These applications showcase the versatility of Newton's law of cooling in diverse scientific and practical contexts. Conclusion: this topic is of great importance of students studying physics related to heat and heat energy radiation. After going through this article, a student will be able to understand and know the main aim and education basic concept of this model, which are to impart knowledge, strengthen the foundation and importance related to the concepts of Newton's law of cooling. What is Newton's law of cooling? Newton's law of cooling definition and the various other concepts related to Newton's law of cooling. Maybe use Newton's cooling rule to calculate how quickly a material at a given temperature would cool in any given environment. It also illustrates how the rate of cooling of an item is determined by the temperature difference between the material and its surrounding and by the substance cooling constant.